Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create Trust Wallet account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you create a Trust Wallet account? Well, it's actually pretty simple. So first things first is you need to download the Trust Wallet app from Google Play Store. Now once you've installed that, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, by the way, if this is the first time that you're accessing Trust Wallet, the first thing that you'll see here is the welcome page and a button that says get started. In this case, once you see the button that says get started, go ahead and just click on it, and from then you'll be redirected to the creation page, which in this case I'll be showing you a little bit. In this case, if you already have a Trust Wallet and you want to create another one, well, what you need to do is you need to go to your wallet at the top left here, and from here click on the plus button at the top right. Now, same thing like what I mentioned before, this is what it's going to look like. So usually it's going to ask you if you want to create a new wallet or add an existing one. In this case, we'll be creating a new one. Now from here, we need to basically choose a method how we want to create it. So we could actually use the secret phrase here or the Swift method. But in this case, we'll be using the secret phrase. Now let's go ahead and click on the create button. Now from here, it's going to say backup secret phrase. So in this case, your secret phrase is going to be like your key that could actually keep your wallet secured. So just in case you lost your access on this specific wallet, you could actually access it on another device using the secret phrase itself. In this case, you could just choose backup manually or backup to Google Drive. In this case, if you want to backup manually, you could just click on backup manually, and from here it's going to ask you this secret phrase is the master key to all your wallet. In this case, you could go ahead and just choose the check next to it and just agree to it, and make sure that you read through all the information here. In this case, it's going to click on continue. Now, the next page is going to ask you to back up all the phrases that you see here. Now, in this case, make sure to make a copy of all the phrases that you see here. So, obviously, my screen is black here because it's a protected screen. You won't be able to see it. In this case, let's go and go back here, click on skip. But in this case, on the next page, you'll be seeing the welcome page or the dashboard for your wallet. Now, creating your wallet in Trust Wallet is pretty easy, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.